Geography. Lesson 2. India size and location. India is vast country. It lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main land extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitude 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, and to the southwest lie the Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. The total area of India is about 3.28 million square kilometers, which is 2.42% of world's area. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the Young Fold Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of the East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries which lie in south across the sea. India has had strong geographical and historical links with the neighbors. Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line parallel to latitude and is drawn parallel to equator 23 degree 30 minutes north. It divides the country into almost two equal parts. The southernmost part of the Indian Union, which was submerged in the ocean in 2004 in tsunami, is called Indira Point. Indian mainland. It is the continuous stretch of landmass from Ladakh to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Peninsula. The triangular landmass surrounded by water on three sides. Standard time. It is the local time of 82 degree 30 minutes is taken as the standard time for the whole country. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Island lie in the Arabian Sea. Name the countries which are larger than India. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia are the countries that are larger than India. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? Andaman and Nicobar Islands group lies in the southeast of India. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries that are our southern neighbors. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? There is a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. It means the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. The earth takes takes 4 minutes to rotate through 1 degree of longitude. Therefore, the time taken by the Earth to rotate through 15 degree longitude is 1 hour. Since India has a longitudinal extent of 30 degree, so there is a time difference of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh, which is the easternmost part of the Gujarat of the country, and the Gujarat, the westernmost part of the country. But the watches are set for all parts of the country according to the Indian Standard Time measured at 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. This is the reason why the watches show the same time everywhere in India. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is the southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. The island groups of India lying in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the countries constituting Indian subcontinent. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh constitute Indian subcontinent. The states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. The northernmost latitude in degrees. The northernmost latitude in degrees is 37 degrees 6 minutes. The southernmost latitude of the Indian mainland in degrees. The southernmost latitude of Indian mainland in degrees is 8 degree 4 minutes. The eastern and the westernmost longitudes in degrees. The eastern and the westernmost longitudes in degrees is 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes. The place situated on the three seas. The place situated on the three seas is Kanyakumari. The strait separating Sri Lanka from India. Palk Strait separates Sri Lanka from India. The Union Territories of India. The Union Territories of India are Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Delhi, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. In which hemisphere does India lie? India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. What is India's rank in northern hemisphere? In terms of size, India is the seventh largest country of the world. Mention the land boundary of India. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. What is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland of India? The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east respectively. Name the countries which are larger than India: Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. What is the southernmost part of India called as? The southernmost part of India is called as Indira Point. What is the standard meridian of India? The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. How has it helped India? Since the opening of the Suez Canal, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km. Name the countries with which India shares its land boundaries in the east. India shares its land boundaries in the east with Myanmar and Bangladesh. Name the southern neighbors of India. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the southern neighbors of India. Which country is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea, the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar? Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea, the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Name the states through which passes the Tropic of Cancer. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram are the states through which passes the Tropic of Cancer. Which neighboring country of India is an island? Maldives is an island country which lies in the south of India. Which island groups lie in the southwest of India? The Lakshadweep island groups lie in the southwest of India. Write about the size of India. The total geographical area of the landmass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.42% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. The country has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometer and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometers. India's land routes have been important since ancient times. Explain. India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishad and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of dome and minars from West Asian can be seen in different parts of our country.